Good evening, I'm Santa and you're watching Newsmind.
And I'm Vanchika. Let's begin with the biggest national and regional stories making headlines today.
Petrol and diesel price hike across India. The biggest story, petrol and diesel price have increased by 3 rupees per litre across the country after state-owned oil companies announced a fresh fuel price revision.
The hike has affected metro cities including Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Oil companies say rising global crude oil price and import cost forced the revision.
Expert warns the increase may impact transportations, food prices and inflation across several sectors. Opposition parties have criticized that the move calling to another burden on the common man.
India strengthens border security. India has further tightened security along sensitive border regions following recent intelligence alerts. Additional surveillance system and troop monitoring operation have reportedly been activated.
Security agencies are closely monitoring cross-border movement while high-level meetings continue in New Delhi regarding national security preparedness. Officials said all necessary measures are being taken. Heatwave alert in multiple states. The India Meteorological Department have issued a several heatwave warning for several states including Rajasthan, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and parts of central India.
Temperatures in some regions have crossed 45 degrees Celsius, leading to concerns over water shortage and public health risks. Authorities have advised people to avoid direct sunlight during peak afternoon hours. Indian Railway announces new mega projects. Indian Railway has announced several new railway infrastructure and modernization projects aimed at improving connectivity and passenger convenience across the country.
Officials said the projects include station redevelopment, high-speed corridor expansion, and additional train services connecting northern and eastern India. Virat Kohli trends after massive fan craze. Indian cricket star Virat Kohli continues to dominate headlines after video of massive fan celebration during a recent public appearance went viral on social media.
Fans across India gathered in huge number once again proving Kohli's unmatched popularity in Indian cricket. Social media platforms remain flooded with hashtags and tribute videos throughout the day.
Now let's move to the regional news. Shimla introduced strike traffic rules.
Moving to Himachal Pradesh, the Shimla administration has enforced stricter traffic regulation to reduce congestion and improve pedestrian safety in the hill city.
Vehicles entering restricted or sealed road without authorizations may now face heavy penalties up to 10,000 rupees. Authorities said that the move is aimed to reduce overcrowding during the tourist season. In Haryana, political debates have intensified over unemployment and government recruitment policies. Opposition leaders have accused that the state government of failing to provide sufficient job opportunity for youth.
The issue has sparked reactions across several districts with demands for transparent recruitment process and faster appointment procedures in government departments.
New Amrit Bharat Express flagged off.
And from Punjab, a new Amrit Bharat Express train connected Amritsar to New Jalpaiguri has officially been launched today.
Railway officials said that the service will benefit migrant workers, students and tourists by offering affordable long-distance travel and improve regional connectivity.
That was the latest update from across the nation and your region.
For more breaking news and exclusive updates, stay connected with Newsmind.
Thank you for watching.